Hey guys, welcome to Lobos Entertainment. My name is Ricardo, and today I want to show you the car we're going to put together and hopefully make a track car, drag car, maybe drift car. So let me show you. Alright guys, here's a car. It's a 2011 335 BMW. It's pretty stock. Actually, it's super bone stock. There's no modification done to the car. So it's going to be a long journey trying to get this car to be a track, drag, and maybe power slide. I don't want to say drift, but maybe power slide. But anyway, let me show you around. So, stock brakes, stock calipers, stock everything. So far, I see no rust on the car. The car is pretty clean, and it is an automatic, so that should be fun. Yeah. I believe it's a base model, but everything is bone stock. It's not that much to say about the car. Alright guys, here's the engine. Like I said before guys, the car is bone stock. You know, nothing is done, no modification, nothing. Super bone stock. So, we're going to be having fun with this car. So far I don't see any leaks or anything wrong with the car. I see some type of sweating right there, but that's probably when I pour oil in it. But alright, let's get it on the lift and see what's underneath it. Okay guys, so the car is up in here, and so far everything looks pretty clean under here. No sweat so far. Looks like they did the oil pan. It's dry. Not sure if they did the transmission though, so we're gonna do that anyway. What else? Yeah, no rust. Everything looking good. Yeah, wow. No rust at all. It's pretty good. Yep, change the suspension. Maybe put a sway bar or so on it. Other than that, it looks the car looking real good on in here. It's a good potential car for tracking and everyday use. Wow. Well, I guess not much to say. They look like they put a new cooler too. New water pump, it looks like. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna check on the bearings. When I get the bearings in, check on the bearings and do the oil baffle for it. So, alright guys, as you can tell, it's a quick video. There's not much to show. The car is in a pretty good shape. So all I gotta do is just get parts, start putting it together, and hopefully we can get to our first track day very soon. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it in the comments below. Alright guys, I'll see you later.